Welcome to Lewis and Denise Toys Either guys. So today, Denise managed to get her hands on a blizzard fruit, and we're gonna be testing it out, seeing if it's any good. And we already have like tornado fly on this thing, and this thing is so OP, bro. This thing you can literally just fly all around them
while doing damage.
Yeah. So I hope that we're gonna be able to get to like whiteout today, because I heard that whiteout actually does a lot of damage. The good thing about tornado fly is that it's actually infinite. So like you can always do damage. Oh yeah, the blizzard fruit. But if you're asking, she actually traded Buddha and Falcon for it. This blizzard fruit was actually mine, but I ended up trading it to Denise.
You Lewis didn't want to eat it.
Okay, right now we're on mastery. Yeah, guys, 69. So now I hope that we're gonna be able to get to whiteout, and we're gonna see how good it is, and maybe even Blizzard Domain. Blizzard Domain sounds very OP. Oh yeah, we totally did not watch any videos about Blizzard.
No, we actually didn't.
We did. Oh, why? What? 70 damage? Come back here, NPC. Where NPC at? I love Tornado Flight, guys. But I don't think I should eat it over my Buddha. Since I have Buddha now, I think I can trade it for like something like really good. Mastery 73. Yeah, you can't flash step with this fruit. No, Denise doesn't even have flash step. Haha, guys, I hacked Denise's account. That's so funny. After like a few sets of these guys, we should be able to get to whiteout. It sounds kind of OP. How much mastery are we getting from these guys? You know what we should do? We should actually kill Diamond. Fly over to Diamond. Where was Diamond again? Yeah, Diamond was over there. Is Diamond even here? Hello? Diamond? Bro, he's not even here.
I have to join public.
Oh yeah, this is private. Oh my god, I can knock down trees. Nice. Alright guys, back to grinding. We'll be back when we have whiteout unlocked. Alright guys, we managed to get our mastery to level 88. So yeah. After this set of vacancies, or what are they called? Yeah. We got our whiteout ability.
So what mastery are we?
88.
How many abilities we got?
Huh? Oh, we got a bunch. Oh, Why did I say a bunch? You need to be a mastery 90 in order to get the two moves. Tornado Fly is.
Are you gonna get that second move?
Yeah. I got it. Let's go. So we got whiteout, guys, and we're gonna try it out. Let's see if it's any good or is it just booty. I hope it's not booty.
Or else I'm gonna be mad.
Moment of truth. Nice animation. Go. Okay. Huh? 1452? I mean, that's not bad. For the stats Denise has right now. Wait, I want to see that again, bro. Yeah, 1452. It destroyed trees, guys. If you guys have like lizard fruit and you guys have like a really bad fruit right now, it's actually not a bad choice to eat it. Actually.
And if you have like no good fruits.
Yeah. and you roll Blizzard, it's actually pretty good to eat. I just didn't eat it because I have Buddha, of course. Alright guys, I think this should be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.